Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete or archive a bank account in Xero. This is a crucial task for keeping your chart of accounts clean and organized, especially when you've closed old accounts or no longer need certain bank connections cluttering your workspace. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and type in your email and password to access your account. This will take you to your Xero dashboard where you can manage all your accounting activities. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. From here, click on Accounting. This section is where you'll find all the core financial tools and settings for your business. It's the central hub for managing your accounts, transactions, and financial reports. Within the accounting menu, you'll see an option labeled Chart of Accounts. Click on it. This will display a comprehensive list of all the accounts you've set up in Xero, including bank accounts, expense accounts, revenue accounts, and more. It's essentially the backbone of your accounting system. Next, you'll need to locate the specific bank account you want to delete or archive. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name. This is especially helpful if you have a large number of accounts and want to save time. Once you've found the bank account, simply click on the checkbox beside it to select it. This action tells Xero which account you're planning to modify. With the account selected, look at the top side menu where you'll see action buttons. If you want to permanently delete the account, click on Delete. A small notification window will appear asking you to confirm your selection. This is an important safety feature because deleting an account is irreversible. Once you're absolutely certain, click on OK to proceed with the deletion. On the other hand, if you prefer to archive the bank account instead of deleting it, click on the Archive button. Archiving is a better option if you think you might need to reference the account's history later, as it simply hides the account from your active list without removing any data. Another confirmation window will appear, and from here, click OK if you wish to archive the bank account selected. You can verify that the bank account has been successfully archived by clicking on the Archive tab above your chart of accounts. This tab shows all accounts that have been moved to Archive, giving you peace of mind that the change has been applied correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully managed your bank accounts in Xero by either deleting or archiving them, keeping your financial records neat and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.